Swali la tahadhari.
Good afternoon. In front of you, Guidance class. I'm going to talk on how to prevent and treat some diseases found in our country. Number 1, dengue. Number 2, malaria. Number 3, chickenpox. Number 4, nosebleed. Number 5, tuberculosis. Number 6, typhoid fever. Number 7, pneumonia. Number 8, Ebola. Number 9, cholera. Number 10, polio. Welcome to listen. Thank you. Dear parents, teachers, and my fellow pupils, good afternoon. In front of you, I'm Dr. Brighton Bonfas Milinga, and I'm going to talk on how to prevent and treat dengue. Dengue is a viral fever caused by the bite of an infected Aegypti mosquito. This mosquito are most active in the morning and evening, caused by the dengue virus, spread through an infected mosquito. Symptoms of dengue: high fever, running and sore, headache, muscle and joint pain, vomiting, skin rash, bleeding. Several cases. Treatment of dengue: no treatment for dengue. Use paracetamol for fever, ORS, coconut water, or juices. Hospitalization of several cases. Thank you. Dear parents, teacher, and my fellow pupils, good afternoon. In front of you, I'm Dr. Marie Rodi Kayombo, and I'm going to talk on how to prevent and treat malaria. Malaria is a common disease for the most of the tropical region of the world. It is a contagious disease transmitted by the bite of Anopheles mosquito. Causes of transmission malaria by 2B. Number 1, mosquito transmission. Number 2, human prevention and treatment of malaria. Number 1, protection against mosquito by using Benylin. Number 2, to control human disease. Number 3, management of environment and pest. Number 4, control animals. Number 5, spend of insecticide also control the mosquito. Number 6, keep very life balance. Number 7, give enough water to drink. Thank you. Parents, teachers, and pupils, good afternoon. In front of you, I'm Dr. Michelle Lucas Msimbete. I'm going to talk on how to present and treat symptoms and stage of malaria. Number 1, what stage? Number 2, what stage? Number 3, what stage? In some cases, nausea, vomiting, and delirium are common. Thank you. Best of all, dear parents, teachers, and my fellow pupils, good afternoon. In front of you, I'm Dr. Meganda Bungia, and I'm going to talk on how to prevent and treat chickenpox. Chickenpox is a high contagious viral infection caused by the bacterial zoster virus. It's commonly occurring in children but affected adults. Causes the chickenpox. It is spread through respiratory or air contact with blister fluid. Signs and symptoms of chickenpox: Number 1, rabies. Number 2, fever. Number 3, fatigue. Number 4, loss of appetite. Number 5, headache. Treatment of chickenpox. Number 1, support of care. Number 2, antiviral medication. Not vaccination is the best prevention. Youngest of honor, dear parents, teacher, and my fellow pupils. After, if God tells you, I'm Dr. Abisa Paskomdugi, and I'm going to talk on how to prevent and treat rabies. Up to 6% of people experience at least one of the as happened in their life. Most locality due to 10 years old. Common causes of fogging. Number 1, water dryness. Number 2, dehydration. Number 3, flying body. Say